Here we are in the studio, and I'm so glad to welcome Jim Conley back.
Hello everybody, and thrifting today, and we got into the Christmas spirit.
We did, and it was not really planned, but it just happened that way. Beautiful red pieces got us thinking that it's time to start considering what our Christmas workshops are going to be, because workshops are coming back.
Yes, and our Christmas workshops this year will be all about vintage, old European Christmas decorations that you can hang in your tree, you can stand in your mantle.
Yeah.
We're going to be embellishing them with feathers, if it's a little angel, velvet, and your favorite from
German glass glitter.
German glass glitter, which is just so vintage. And beautiful signs. You can be joy, peace, love. You can make your own. And actually, Kathie has all of the materials to make these beautiful jewels and gems you can attach to whatever you make. That
Exactly.
can even hang on a Christmas tree.
They could. These beautiful snowflake molds are no longer available. They were a limited edition last year, but if you come and do a workshop with us, you can make something with them.
And I just think it's on a mantle would be really quite special.
I think so
a wee
too.
bit of glitter, Kathie.
Oh, I know.
I mean, always
Over the top.
over the top.
Yeah.
So please come and join us at Kathie Jordan Design in New Hamburg for our pre-Christmas classes. You'll have fun, you'll laugh, you'll cry, and you'll look like a stripper for the rest of the day because you'll be covered in glitter. Did that seem right?
Yes, you did, but that's okay. It's okay.